Hello students, let's move on with our chapter 4 part 4. Contents of this chapter are setting margins, setting page orientation, setting paper size, previewing a document and printing a document. Let's start with setting margins. Microsoft Word allows you to set the margins on all the four sides of a document. For example, top, bottom, left and right. The default margins are set at 1 inch from top and bottom and 1 inch from left and right edge of the page. Okay, so remember the default margin is set to 1 inch. So how can we set this? There are two methods. The first is using ruler bars. To change the left or right margins, point to a margin boundary on the horizontal ruler as shown in figure. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary as per your need. To change the top or bottom margins, point to a margin boundary on the vertical ruler. See, on the vertical ruler you have to do this. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, that is vertical arrow, drag the margin boundary as required. See, so this way you can set the margins. Okay, so margins refers to the amount of blank space between the edge of the page and the document text. The second method is using page layout tab. Click on the margins option in the page setup group. A drop-down list of options appears. The normal option is selected by default. So default there is option selected is normal. You can change. Select any predefined margin settings from the available list. Select the custom margins option if you want to change these. The page setup dialog box will appear as shown in figure. Select the margins tab. Type the values for top, bottom, left and right margins. You can write any way, in centimeter also and in inch also you can write. In the apply to drop down list, choose either whole document or selected text option as per your requirement. Now click OK. As you can see that the margins are changed. Now let's see the setting of the page orientation. See, there are two ways of the orientation, portrait and landscape. The page orientation property sets the printing direction of the text. The default orientation of the paper is set to portrait, that is vertical, in which the document is printed lengthwise. When we choose landscape orientation, the document is printed widthwise. So remember, portrait means lengthwise, that is vertical, and landscape means widthwise, that is horizontal. To change the paper orientation, follow the given steps. Select the page layout tab. Click on the orientation button in the page setup group. Choose the landscape orientation or portrait orientation from the drop-down list. Observe the changes. See. Now we will see how to set the paper size. In Microsoft Word, you can work with different sizes of paper. Through the available selections, depend on the type of printer you use. Okay? So if you want to set a paper size, follow the steps. Select the Page Layout tab. Click on the Size button in the Page Setup group. A list of paper size options appears. The current paper size is highlighted in the drop-down list as shown in figure. Select any desired page size option as per your requirement. The paper size of the document changes accordingly. As you can see in the figure, the paper size gets changed. The paper size of the document changes according to your settings. Click on the More Paper Size option in the Size button drop-down list. The Page Setup dialog box will appear. This is the second method. Click on the Paper tab as shown in figure. Select the desired size from the paper size drop-down list. See, there are many sizes available: A3, Executive, Legal. You can choose any as per your requirement. Observe the changes in the preview block and click OK. So this way you can set the paper size. Now let's see how to preview a document. See, there is one definition over here. A printed output of a document or an image is called a hard copy. Remember, what is hard copy? The printed document. From time to time, you need hard copies of your work. Yes or no? Yes. MS Word provides us with options to print a document, analyze its preview, and control the printing properties. Microsoft Word allows you to preview the document before printing. This is very good feature. Follow the given steps to preview a document. First of all, click on the File tab as shown in figure. There is option available Print. Click on that. A preview of your document automatically appears on the right side of the Word window. You can see that. To view each page, click on the arrows below the preview section present on the navigation bar. So there are arrows available. You can switch between pages. You can also magnify the view of the page by using the zoom slider bar at the bottom right corner of the preview section. So there is zoom slider, the magnifying glass also available to zoom. If you want to print more than one copy of a document, you can choose between the collated and uncollated options in the setting options. See. For example, if there are 10 pages in a document and you want to print 5 copies, the collated option will print the complete copy of the document. For example, from page 1 to page 10. And then it will again start printing the next copy. So this is very useful option, collated. Now, whereas the uncollated option will print all the 5 copies of the first page and then print the next copy of the subsequent pages. Likewise, so here you have to arrange your paper, but with the help of collated, there is no need to do that. The papers are already arranged and sorted. Now next, see how to print a document. See, we have already seen that how to preview a document. So next step is to print the document. So after checking the preview of the document, you can follow the given steps to print the document. Okay, so once you have checked it, so you can easily remove the printouts. So click on the File tab and then select the print option. Choose the printer from the printer drop-down list. Enter the number of copies in the Copies spin box. Okay. Under the Settings section, click on the arrow next to the Print All Pages to choose any given option. Selecting the Print All Pages option prints the entire document. So if you want to print your entire document, which option you will select? Print All Pages. Selecting the Print Selection option prints only the selected text from the document. For example, 1, 5, 8 prints the first, 5th and 8th pages. If you will choose Print Current Page option, it will print only the selected page from your document. If you will choose the option Print Custom Range, it will print the specified range of pages from the document like 3-5, 8-10. So these will print 2 page ranges, 3rd to 5th and 8 to 10th. Okay, after selecting all the required options, now it's time to click on the button Print. Okay. So after clicking on button Print, your soft copy will be converted into the hard copy. Now note, to change the properties of your printer, select the Printer Properties option under the printer name. So here our chapter ends. I hope you understood the top concept. Thank you for watching my video.